Being in sales for almost 20 years, it's very easy to build a massive ego. The industry is materialistic, competitive, and loud. Everyone's chasing something. Rolexes, APs, Lambos, Ferraris, tailored suits, designer clothes, nights out, women, status. And when you are deep in it, it all feels normal. It becomes your identity. You don't even realize you're drifting away from who you actually are. Sales has amazing parts, the camaraderie, the drive, the banter, the energy. But it also creates monsters, ego, greed, toxic habits, people pretending they're happy while they're just dying inside. The truth is, when you chase money, ego, and status for long enough, you just lose yourself without even noticing. And then something happens, something that snaps you all out of it. You might get unwell. Someone you love might be unwell. You know, your mental health might be suffering. Maybe life slows you down long enough so you actually see who you are. That's when you realize something powerful. A Rolex is just a watch. A car is just a vehicle. A suit is just material. And none of it matters when your health goes. None of it helps when someone you love is suffering. None of it gives you identity. So when I finally stopped running from myself, I had to face who I'd become. I had to admit I wasn't proud of the man I saw in the mirror. I had ego, but no peace. I had confidence in the office, but no identity outside of it. I was chasing validation instead of purpose. And here's the truth nobody wants to say. You cannot fill an internal void with external things. You cannot buy self-respect. You cannot buy identity, and you cannot buy peace. I had to slow down. I had to look at myself properly for the first time. And I had to accept that none of the material stuff meant anything if I wasn't proud of the person wearing it. And that is when everything started to shift. Freedom, purpose, health, peace, identity. These became the things I cared about. These became the things I wanted to build my life around. Yes, money is extremely important, but not out of ego. Money is a tool. It buys freedom. It buys options. It gives you control of your time, but it doesn't replace your identity. Now, here's where SalesBots comes in for me. SalesBots and the SalesBots Academy are not about ego. They are about building a life I am proud of, a life with purpose, a life where the work I do matters and aligns with the man I am becoming. So if you are watching this and you're feeling stuck and you feel like you've been chasing status, validation, external things, stop and ask yourself one question. What am I actually chasing? And will it matter when life really hits me hard? Because here's the truth. Success means nothing if you lose yourself trying to get it. But when you stop running, when you stop and face yourself, when you rebuild, when you become something that you actually respect, when you look in the mirror, your whole life will start to change and you will be proud and fulfilled and free.